Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Tesla Model 3 into tow mode. First, locate the controls icon on your vehicle's large touchscreen display. Once in the controls menu, you'll want to find and select the Service tab. Within the Service options, you will then see the Towing button. Tapping this button is the initial step to prepare your Model 3 for towing. After selecting Towing, a confirmation prompt will appear on your screen. Tap Enter Tow Mode to proceed. Your Model 3 will then automatically engage its electronic parking brake, ensuring the vehicle is stationary. Simultaneously, a distinct warning message will illuminate on your instrument panel, indicating that tow mode is active and certain features are temporarily disabled. This confirms the vehicle is now ready for towing. It's important to remember that while in tow mode, several key features are temporarily deactivated. This includes automatic parking and regenerative braking, so be mindful of your driving. Always ensure your Model 3 is securely attached to the towing vehicle using appropriate equipment. Additionally, always adhere to the manufacturer's recommended maximum towing speed to maintain safety and prevent potential damage during transport. When you're ready to exit tow mode, the process is straightforward. Simply return to the Service menu on your touchscreen and tap the Exit Tow Mode button once more. This action will deactivate the mode, and the electronic parking brake will automatically release. Always take a moment to confirm that the warning message has cleared from your instrument panel before attempting to drive your Model 3 normally.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.